Guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be an Ajio haul. Now I have never done like clothing focused videos on my channel, except for I remember this one time I did like a wardrobe declutter kind of video. I showed you like every single piece I have in my collection for the most part, and like which products I am keeping, which ones I'm going to declutter and stuff like that. But I don't really do a lot of like lifestyle clothing related videos on my channel otherwise, but I do want to probably start doing something like that. So do let me know if you would be interested in me doing more videos like these. I don't do super huge, super expensive clothing hauls ever, because that's just not the person who I am. I don't like to spend a ridiculous amount of money on clothes, because I think most pieces in my collection have 6 months to a year, sometimes even like 2 years, for things that I don't wear super duper frequently. I would probably use for longer than a year, but apart from that, that is kind of the average shelf life that clothes have in my collection, like a piece of clothing. So that's why I don't like to spend a ridiculous amount of money on clothes. But that being said, I do shop, I would say, every 1.5 2 months. Sometimes if I feel like I have way too many clothes and I've not decluttered a lot, then maybe even like every 3 months. So do let me know if you would like to like see videos like these whenever I end up buying new clothes. But yeah, in today's video I'm going to show you some like pieces of clothing, 4 tops and 2 pairs of jeans that I bought recently, specifically from Ajio. All these pieces I bought from Ajio. It's one of my favorite places to buy from. I have shopped a ton from Ajio in the past year or so. I want to say like even before 2020 I did do a lot of shopping from Ajio, but specifically last year and then this year I have done quite a few Ajio orders, and I would say 50% of my collection is Ajio already at this point. So yeah, I added a few new pieces to my collection from Ajio, and I will show you what they look like on me and kind of talk you through them a little bit. And yeah, of course I will try to list and link everything down below as well, in case you want to pick up any of these or you want to find similar pieces. You can easily click on the links, go and look for them. I hope that all of these are available, especially the ones that I really like, and I think you guys will like as well, because they're like very trendy and stuff. I hope that you can still find those pieces, and I'm pretty sure that you can. So yeah, I will list and link everything down below. But I've done way too much blabbering just in the intro. Now it's time for you to actually see what I got. So I'm gonna put that right now. Okay, so this is the first piece. It's a black top which has these like balloony sleeves, and I really like it. I mean, it's a classic black top, and you can see it's not too long, but at the same time it's not too short where it's gonna like keep getting up, which I do like. Again, yeah, it's a very simple basic black balloony top. The main thing I wanted to get is, I think the sleeves look really cute, and it's pretty casual and classic, but at the same time if you're going out with friends or something, you can still wear it. So yeah, that's that. Also, I'm sorry, you'll see like these dirt stains, I guess. I don't know where they came from. It did not come this way. I definitely got it dirty, but yeah, this is the first top. And then this is the second top. It's kind of like an Indo-Western style, and that's the main reason I got it. I think that I don't own a lot of like kurtas and stuff. I mean, I do have a lot, but it's never enough. So I wanted to have one piece that I could wear casually, but also at the same time if I want to wear something a little bit more Indian-ish, that's when I could wear this. Also, this one is from I think it's Bhana Couture or Bhana Couture, I'm not sure. The top I mentioned earlier, the black one, is from Clothesy, I think. So yeah, I didn't want to mention those as well. Of course, I'm going to leave a link, yeah. And oh, that's the tag. I thought there was some detailing on the back which I did not show you, but that's just a tag. These are all new. I haven't worn them out. I haven't worn any of the tops out yet. So yeah, they still have the tags on. But yeah, this is the second piece. Moving on to the third piece, you guys. This one has to be like my favorite. I mean, A, it's floral, which I love. B, it's the kind of style which I feel like I see a lot of Gen Zers wear, and I've always wanted to wear something like this. Like, it's really cute, really chic. You could wear this on a date, you could wear this on a day out with your friends, you could wear this on your birthday. Honestly, like if I would bought this before my birthday, this would totally be my birthday outfit. It's that cute. But yeah, it's flattering on my body. I feel like a lot of trendy pieces are not super flattering on my body, which is why I don't buy those kind of clothes. Or if I buy them, I don't end up wearing them. But this one, I would totally wear a ton, and I would love to take some cute pictures in this. And that's why this has to be probably my favorite piece out of this haul. Yeah, absolutely freakingly love it. And this is by the brand Casually, but with a K. So yeah, would definitely leave a link for this one. Now moving on to the last top from this haul. This is the one. It's a very simple casual striped top. I love stripes. I love this tassel situation towards the front, and then it's also got these like strings you can tie. I will just leave these on as it is. And yeah, it's a super casual, simple, basic top for everyday wear. That's why I got this. I do have a lot of these kind of outfits, so I've been told to not buy any more because it's kind of repetitive, which I get, but I feel like it's also something you can never have enough of because it's a little of like an elevated version of a simple basic black top. So yeah, again, I really like this. It's from the brand Fig, I want to say, but the tag, like the price tag which has the sizing and stuff, that says Liva, so I'm not sure, but yeah, it is what it is. Again, I'll leave a link for this. Moving on to jeans next. So this is the first one that I got. It's a black high-waisted pair. I'm gonna have to bend down a little bit to show you how high-waisted it is. Also, this is my unflattering midsection, but yeah, I don't really care. The main thing is that I wanted something that is super high-waisted, so I don't have to worry about how short my top is, even though I typically don't wear crop tops or like shorter tops. But yeah, your high-waisted jeans do a very good job at covering like the midsection and making sure you don't have any flabbiness going around. But yeah, I got this from the brand Dolce Crudo, I want to say. It's a size 28 and it is pretty well fitting. It fits perfectly. I don't have to wear a belt with it, which is amazing and awesome. And it was pretty inexpensive as well. It was around 800 bucks, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, when I got this, it was 800 bucks on sale. But yeah, I got a pair of basic black jeans because of course you can never have enough. And I personally feel like a lot of times your black jeans kind of like fade. I know in the lighting this one also might look like it's like faded on some places, but it's brand new and it's just the sunlight that's coming in which makes it look faded. Like you can see, yeah, that's not a fade, that's just the sunlight. Yeah, that was that for my first pair of jeans. Okay, so this is the last piece, you guys. This is the second pair of jeans and also the last piece in this haul that I bought, and it's basically this beautiful light blue, but it's got like a fade. You can see it's slightly darker right here and then here as well. So in certain sections it's lighter like here, and then even the bottom part is slightly darker. But yeah, it's got this beautiful fade that I really like. I wanted a pair of light blue jeans, but I didn't want like a basic light blue jeans. I already have light blue jeans which are low-waisted A, so I don't really enjoy wearing them as much. So I wanted something high-waisted, and I wanted something that's just, it's not super duper basic. It's got something going on to it, and I think the fade in this is beautiful. That being said, I have to tell you that I did try this when I bought it, and I thought it would fit pretty perfectly, but I don't know if I have lost weight a little bit maybe over the past few weeks or so, because this does feel a little bit loose-ish. I did get 28, and I think it's technically a good thing that I did lose some weight. But obviously now that it's loose, I'll probably have to wear it with a belt. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but I have like quite a bit of space right here, and I don't want to have to like have this go down throughout the day if I'm not wearing a belt. So with this one, I think belt is going to have to be like necessity. But yeah, Do want to let you know that as well. Of course, I will link it, but it's by the brand. So it's Sugar without the A. So it's SUGR, and they do run a little bit. I would say bigger in terms of size. So if you're a 28, maybe try getting a 26. I don't know if they have a 26 or not, but yeah, I would say size down, because these do run a little bit big. I would say, yeah, that's that, and that's the last piece. So yeah, you guys, that was all the pieces that I bought from Ajio. Just want to quickly ask you guys, which are your favorite places to shop from online? I know a ton of people love Myntra, but when it comes to Myntra, I'm just a little bit more dicey about the quality, because I have bought some things from Myntra which have not been the best. That being said, I have bought a couple of things from Ajio as well, which if I don't like anything, then you can easily return. I really like the return policy as well. But my favorite places to buy clothes online are Ajio and then Lifestyle. I have bought a lot from them over the years, just in general, but in the last year and then even this year, I have kind of bought more from them online, from their app, rather than offline, because of course I was not allowed in malls. Now I at least can finally go to a mall. And then Westside also I do like. I feel like certain pieces you can find really good pieces in Westside, but I don't find the best collection there for like everyday, just regular clothes in general that I personally like. I don't find great pieces in Westside. So I would say Ajio and Lifestyle are my top two, and then Myntra I'm kind of dicey about. But yes, let me know where you buy your clothes from, if you buy them online or if you buy them from any kind of retailer where you find really good pieces. Do let me know down below. I would love some recommendations, so please leave that down below. It would mean the absolute world to me. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Until next time, bye bye.